Right. So on page 24, I'm looking at the review of what we can do there. We're going to do number 2, which is writing in the notes of the C position. That's super duper easy, but there is a video for that. We're also going to do 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to help you fill in all of that area by showing you what notes you need to draw in each one of those sections. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to go from number 2 in the review to number 6 in the review. Okay, I'm going to help you fill all that area out so you understand what that means. Okay, so who remembers their C position? So these beautiful sheets that I've done with the finger numbers give you the 5 notes in the C position. So question 2 on page 24 in our review. The C position notes are cat, dog, elephant, frog, and giraffe. There's only 5 notes, okay? Okay, for those of you who want to do the next section, number 3. So you can go all the way back and find out what the names of all the notes are, but we'll just do it together here. So your 4 quarter notes for number 3 are actually 4 tap notes. So you can just draw 4 of these into number 3 that asks for 4 quarter notes. Number 4 asks for 4 half notes. Half notes are the same as long notes. So in number 4, we want to draw 4 of these notes. In number 5, they ask you to draw 4 dotted half notes. I'll give you one guess which one is the dotted half note, because there's only one note amongst all of these that has a dot. So I'm hoping you're pointing at this one. Okay, so you need 4 of these notes. The dotted long note is the same as the dotted half note. Okay, and then they want you to draw 4 whole notes. And because we've been using that name the whole time, because it's got a hole in it, makes it so easy to remember, you need to draw 4 of these at the end. Okay? Okay, how did you go? Super easy once you know what you're doing. Because remember, I told you at the beginning when we started, it's not important that you know the names of the notes, as in, you know, whether it's a dotted half note or a quarter note or whatever they call them. That's theory. And sometimes people are so caught up in trying to remember all those theory names that it takes away from them enjoying the actual piano experience, right? Which is the playing the notes and enjoying the sounds. And that's what we're here for. So the most important thing is that you know how long the notes are. You know that when you see the tap note, that you know it's 1 count, and we don't need to count it. We just play it and move on, right? Tap, 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 tap. Done. When you see a long note, you know to hold it for 1, 2. That's what is important. When you see the notes, you know how long they are. That's what matters, okay, at the moment. With time, we will learn all of that theory stuff. But for now, it just gets in the way of you moving forward with your music, okay? And what we want to do is play as much as we can. Get those fingers moving, right? So just draw the ones that I've asked you to draw in. That's what they're called. But for now, it's not important that you remember that, okay? Just have fun filling out this review with me.